Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Caden, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks closed lower for a third session in a row, with the Russell being the biggest laggard once again, down 1%. The S&P slid 0.5%. The Nasdaq and Dow weren't far behind. All sectors in the S&P closed down, with the exception of energy and tech. Healthcare sold off 1 2/3%. Consumer discretionary shed 1.5%. And turning to the biggest stock movers, Intel closed as the S&P's top performer off a Bloomberg report that the legacy U.S. chip maker approached Apple about an investment in the company. Later Thursday, the Wall Street Journal reported that Intel also approached Taiwan Semiconductor for a similar deal. The stock hit a 52-week high. Both companies reportedly talked about ways to work more closely together, though Bloomberg added the discussions remain in the early stages and may not lead to an agreement. Shares of Apple moved 1.8% higher today, while Taiwan Semi moved 1.4% lower. Amazon ticked lower after reaching a $2.5 billion settlement with the FTC. That concluded a 2023 lawsuit filed by the FTC that claimed Amazon tricked customers into signing up for Prime memberships. On top of paying the settlement, Amazon has to simplify the process for users to cancel Prime. The Mag 7 giant has underperformed its mega-cap peers, trading just about flat so far in 2025. And CarMax tapped lows it hasn't seen in 5 years after the company posted an earnings miss before the opening bell today. EPS from the prior quarter of 64 cents fell far below Wall Street estimates for $1.04. CarMax sold a combined 338,000 cars in retail and wholesale in the quarter. That was down 4.1% from a year ago. The company's CEO called it a challenging period and announced $150 million in cost cuts for the next 18 months. We have no earnings to close out the trading week tomorrow. However, we will get core PCE, a key metric watched by the Fed. You can also watch for the latest insight on consumer sentiment. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Caden. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.